Alex only drinks black coffee every single day. Today, Lori wants him to try something new. Does Alex like it or hate it? Follow Lori and Alex to the cafe to find out.
Alex, I can't focus. I need a break.
Me too, I'm very tired today.
Do you want to go for coffee?
Yes, that sounds great.
I know a new place near here. I saw the reviews online. They are very good.
Oh, nice, let's go.
Great, I'll get my bag.
Hello, welcome. How many people?
2, please.
I'm sorry. There are no free tables inside right now.
Oh, can we sit outside?
Yes, of course. Please follow me.
Oh, we're sitting outside?
It's fine. There's a little wind today.
Here's your table. The menus are on the table. Let me know when you're ready to order.
Thank you.
I like this place. It's very nice.
Alex always drinks black coffee. Today, Lori wants to change that.
So, what do you want to drink?
Black coffee, always.
Again? You didn't even look at the menu.
I don't need to. Black coffee is always good.
But why always black coffee?
It's strong. It helps me focus.
But today is different. This is a new place.
Different how?
The reviews say the drinks here are very good. They have a lot of coffee drinks here. Not just black coffee.
Like what?
Like a latte or a cappuccino. It's still coffee, but the taste is different.
How is the taste different?
It's smoother, a little softer. But you still get the coffee taste.
I don't know.
You drink black coffee every day. Why not try something new?
I like what I know.
Just one time. If you don't like it, go back to black coffee.
Okay, let me see. So what's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has espresso and a lot of milk. It's smooth and not too strong.
That sounds too soft for me.
A cappuccino has espresso and milk too. But it's stronger than a latte.
So the cappuccino is closer to black coffee?
Yes, but it's still softer than black coffee. I'm not sure which one is better here. Let's ask. Excuse me?
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, he likes strong coffee. What do you recommend?
The cappuccino is very popular. A lot of people love it. But our latte is special. We use a different kind of milk. It's richer.
Richer? What does that mean?
It means the taste is deeper. It's stronger than a normal latte.
Oh, so it's not soft?
No, a lot of people who like black coffee love our latte.
Okay, I'll try the latte.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Oh, and I see a strawberry latte on the menu. I want to try that.
And anything else?
Can I get a small cake too?
Of course. I'll bring everything soon.
Okay, a latte. Let's see how it is.
You'll love it, I promise.
I hope so. The drinks are here, but something is wrong.
Here you go.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes?
I think there is a mistake. I ordered a latte. This is a black coffee.
Oh, I'm very sorry. Let me check. You're right. I made a mistake. I'll fix it now.
It's okay. Mistakes happen sometimes.
Here's your latte. Sorry again.
Thank you, it's okay. It's strange. They gave me black coffee and I didn't want it today.
Haha, you're changing, Alex.
Black coffee or latte is better. Let's listen to what Alex thinks. Okay, I finished the latte.
And what do you think?
It's not as strong as black coffee, but it's smooth and a little sweet. I think I like it.
I told you.
It's not as bitter as I like, but it's good. Next time I want to try the cappuccino.
Yes, and after that, something new again.
Not too fast, Lori.
Okay, let's ask for the bill. Excuse me, can we get the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your receipt.
I'll pay today.
No, I'll pay.
Are you sure? I invited you.
Yes, you found this place. And you made me try something new. So, my treat today.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
Let me see the receipt. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. We accept card and cash.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. One moment, please. Done. Here's your card back.
Thank you. Can I have a bag for the cake?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please come again.
Thank you, Lori. I didn't know about this place.
And you didn't know about lattes?
Yes, I always drink black coffee. That is my rule.
And today you broke your rule.
I did, and it was good.
Sometimes it's good to try something new.
That's the end of today's video. Lori and Alex had a great time at the cafe. Do you remember our question from the start? Alex tried something new today. What did he drink? And did he like it? Write your answer in the comments. I'll read and reply to every comment. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy English videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.